Good evening, everybody. It's your favorite COC player, Rick Allen Roa. So for today, we will be attacking. I will be giving you a tutorial on how to beat the It's Over 9,000 challenge in COC. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial and you're going to use this on your attack so that you can get the loot. So you might be wondering why I am speaking in English, because in my last video a lot of people that don't know how to speak in Bisaya are asking me, "Oy Allen, why won't you speak in English? We want to understand because we are a fan of you and you are our favorite COC player." So don't worry guys, starting today I will be speaking in English so that everyone will understand and everyone will be happy. So as you can see, my attack, we drop the Royal Champion, Rage and Freeze, then ability of the Royal Champion so that we can get that compartment over there. So I hope this tutorial is going to be very useful because I want the gems in this challenge. So I put Wool Breaker down there, Barbarian King. Oh no, Wool Breaker first, Lord Launcher guy, the Inbid and all the ability. Then distract the Scatter Shot with that skeleton spell. So this is a very effective strategy to 3-star this, and that's the only strategy. After you do all those things, then it's up to you what you want to do. Just drop them everywhere where you want to drop them. So it doesn't matter anymore. It's going to be a 3-star, and I hope you understood my English. I did my best so that everyone will understand, everyone will be happy. And this is the end of the tutorial. We just have to wait. No, don't cancel. So that's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope this tutorial is useful for you guys. So I'm sorry for my previous videos that I'm not speaking in English because I'm not used to speaking in English, but I love everyone. I love my fans. This is for you guys. So that's how to 3-star the It's Over 9,000 Dragon Ball challenge. Thank you guys.